You're in my every breath, like a prayer I never learned to end. I say your name in silence, hoping somehow you'll feel it then. I look for me inside your eyes, but I'm lost in maybe and why. I'm just a question in your chest that you never answer, just sigh. I don't need perfect words from you, I don't need the world to know. I just need you to stay and listen, not hear me just to go. Make me your priority and watch how hard I'll try to fight the whole damn world for you, even with shaking hands inside. But if I'm asking too much, if I'm loving alone again, I'll fade into your quiet nights like I was never more than that. I listen to your stories close, like they're keeping me alive, while others hear just to reply. I stay through every line. I loved you in the smallest ways, in patience, in pain, in time. But halfway love still breaks a heart, especially when it's mine. I would have been your safe place, your reason to believe. But loving someone who won't choose you teaches you how to leave. Make me your priority, and I swear I'd never run. I'd lay my fears at your feet, I'd give you everything I am. But if you can't meet me there, if I'm just a name you forget, I'll disappear without a sound. No blame, no tears, no regret. I won't scream, I won't beg, I won't leave scars on your door. I'll just pull myself into silence like I was never yours. Erase me gently from your mind, say I was all your dream, one that loved you a little too much and knew you a little too deep. I was your almost, not your forever, your pause, not your stay. I gave you my whole heart, you gave me reasons to fade. So breathe without me, love without me. I'll be gone by morning light, just a song you don't remember, playing softly in the night. You were in my every breath. Now I'll learn how to breathe